Okay, what we've got to do is a little Potterton Suprima, designed to fit into a cupboard, these old boilers. 50 centimetres tall. Most standard boilers nowadays are 60 centimetres tall. So what we're going to do, in order to accommodate the new boiler, we're going to put in a Vaillant 415. 4 series is the heat only regular boilers. You've got your 6 series system boiler, 8 series combi boiler, 9 series combi with a cylinder, 50 litre on the back of it, things like that. Anyways, too tight here. 60 centimetres is that. So I'm going to have to open this up a bit more, this top, open the bottom up a little bit more. Need service clearance below the boiler, above the boiler. Shows a Vaillant, outside wall, there. If we come out the top flue, if we go side flue, we have to come out the top of the boiler. Bottom of the boiler will be there, which is no good. Servicing, etc. You've got to get the casing off. So what we're going to do, we're going to get the boiler within that line, cupboard line. I'm going to have that back there. I'm going to have the boiler back there. I'm going to rear flue it. So I've chosen the boiler to rear flue it, come out the back of the boiler. Can't do it with your manufacturer, but if you can. So I'm going to draw a new, I'm going to do away with this, make it good. I'm going to make it all good. Bring it up on the outside, drill a new 5-inch hole, put it through the rear of the boiler. That allows me to get the boiler up higher in the cupboard. Okay? So a little bit tricky, but it's what I do every day. So for me, it's nice and easy. We'll get this done, send you a guarantee sign off, show what it looks like in a little while. Okay then, all sorted. Nice tight fit, just got to put that bit of boxing up after. Condense through the worktop into the clamps, always best to run it internally so it doesn't freeze, so that can freeze in the winter. It's only condensed cold water going through that. And that's it, so excellent. Flues, rear flue on the other side, drill a nice 5-inch core hole. And that's it really, so I'll show you around there. Let's have a little look. There we go. Nice little flue there. Okay. So there you go. Nice little straight top heat only boiler.